escaping. Here.
Okay, Stacy's gonna go out and rescue a bird. She actually went inside the bird feeder.
Hook will come apart and the cover will come off. So try not to spill it everywhere. And don't use the screw.
Let me see. If you come over this way, we can help you.
Oh, poor thing. And I'll take that out and then just lift the lid off. Thank you. Did you hear that? Thank you so much. Ta-da! Something, Emily, around
Don't
here.
just jam it, Stacy. Figure out why it's not working.
Because there's seeds there. Yeah.
How do you stop this?
Press the red button.